Guys, here you can see our more admin came about the machine learning, and in today's machine learning video I am telling about the descriptive statistics. If you don't know what a descriptive statistics, so in today's video your whole concept will be clear about it, so please see the video start to end and please like this video, share your friends and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to all the notification bell also so that your future daily videos. So without wasting your any time, let's move to number and let's do a coding with loving. So guys, here you can see more videos me came out the machine learning, and in today's machine learning video I'm telling about the descriptive statistics. If you don't know what a descriptive statistics, like in the previous video we learned about the statistics, but in today's video we're learning about the descriptive statistics. Descriptive statistics is broken down into tendency and variability. Tendency is about center measures. First, the mean is the average value. Number 2, the median, the midpoint value. Number 3, the mode means the most common value. The mean. The mean value is the average of the all values. This table contains 11 values: 7, 8, 9, 10, 9, 9, 10, 11. To find the mean value, add all the values and divide by the number of values. The mean value is like 7 plus 8 plus 8 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 10 plus 11 plus 14 plus 14 plus 14, 15 plus 15 and divided by 11 equals to 10.36366, like that. The mean is the same sum divided by the count. Calculate the mean value. Calculate the mean value. To write this code, first of all you copy this code and write this code on, let me show you where. Erase it, write HTML, then body, then script, then paste this code here. Here you can see this type of code. This is a one line of code, that's why I'm not writing, but let me write it for you. First of all you write let mean, then equals to, then 7 plus 8 plus 8 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 10 plus 11 plus 14 plus 14 plus 15 divided 11, and then like this. Now when you write this type of code, so now let me tell you what you can do now. First of all, erase this one. Okay, erase one. So now what you can do here, save it, erase this and then save it and then run it. So it will not give you any such type of output because we write do not any such type of things. Or use a math library like math.js, or you can also use the math library like a math.js. Okay, like this. To use this value, so let me tell you how you can write this code. First of all, you write const values equals to, then 7 comma 8 comma 8 comma 9 comma 9 comma 9 comma 10 comma 11 comma 14 comma 14, and then comma 15, then equals to, then here you write like let mean equals to math dot mean, and then here you write like values, then like this. Here you can see it. We write this code. So now what we can do when we write this code, it not give you any such type of output because I did not that type of such thing and give me the output. But let me copy it and then paste it. Okay, so now come here now. The median. I have told you about what is the mean. Now what is the median? The list of speed values like 99, 86, 87, 88, 111, 186, 103, 87, 94, 78, 77, 85, 86. The median is the value in the middle after the values are sorted. Like this, like 77, 78, 85, 86, 86, 86, 87, 88, 8, 94, 99, 103, 111, like this. When you copy this code and when you paste this code. Let me write this code. To write this code, first of all you write const speed equals to, then in the square bracket you write like 99 comma 86 comma 87 comma 88 comma 111, then comma again, then 86 comma 103 comma 87 comma 94 comma 78 comma 78 comma then 77, then 85 comma then 86, like that. Then we write like let median, then equals to math dot median, then speed. Then when you write this type of code, now let me show you what you can do. Then save it and run it. Okay, so like that you can write it. Now let's come on it here. Like this type of syntax, using this syntax you will calculate your median. Okay, if there are two numbers in the middle, divide the sum of them by 2. Like there are two numbers like middle of them, like 77, 78, 85, 86, then 86, then 86, then 87. This is the middle. There are two numbers in the middle. Divide the sum of them by 2. Okay, like this, by 2, then it give you the output should be 86.5. Okay, this is one code also. Here you can see it. There is one more code. Okay, to write this code, so let me tell you how you can write this code. First of all, what you can do, for to write this code, you will be erase this all number and you only write in 99, 86, 87, 88, 86, 103, 87, 94, 78, 77, 85, and then 86. That's it. And then like this, your own number has been came like that. The mode. Now I have told you about the median. So now let's learn about the mode. The mode value is the value that appears the most number of times. Like calculate the mode like that. You will be calculate your mode. Okay. To calculate your mode, you only erase this and you only write here mode. Then you will calculate your mode like this. Now outliers. Outliers are the values outside the other values like 99, 86, 87, 88, 111, 86, 103, 87, 94, 78, 385, 86 like that. Outliers can change the mean a lot. Sometimes we don't use them. They might be an error or we use the median or the mode instead. Okay. So for that, what you can do, you will be copy this code and then paste this code. So let me tell you how to write this code. To write this code, first of all, you go here, write const values equals to, in the square bracket you write like 99, 86, 87, then comma, then 88, 111, 86, 103, 87, 94, 97, and 300, then 85, then 86 like this. And then let mean equals to, here we write like math dot mean then value. So like this we write our codes, and when we write this our codes, so like that you can do it. Like that you will also calculate the mean. So here you can see it. So in today's video, I am told you about in the machine learning what are descriptive statistics. So I hope you can enjoy this class. If you enjoy, so please like this video, share with friends, and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to all the notification bell also. So you never miss any future latest videos without your any wasting of time. So without wasting any time, I meet you next lesson, next very amazing class like that type of videos. And from now, tomorrow to tomorrow, our this Django plus machine learning series should be ended. Okay, then we start on a new series. So get ready for that. Which type of series? I told you about it. Just wait it. Okay, for the tomorrow video. Okay, so but for today, goodbye.